Alright, welcome to the tutorial for my move Conglomerate. It was inspired by Tobias and many of his cuts and the way he just moves packets around and the flow of that. So let's get into it. So much like Maze Runner, it is a move that is all about symmetry, and it also consists of two one-handed cuts that complement each other, yet they interact at the same time. So break off half, just like that, and your left hand, really easy, you're just going to do a Charlier cut. In your right hand, it's a little bit trickier, but still simple. So break off, and then you're going to use gravity to let half of that packet fall, like that, and then your index finger is going to push it up to your thumb. Just like that. And again, it's all about symmetry, so execute these two cuts so that they complement each other. So once you're here, your thumb is going to come up and grab that, and then it's going to turn around just like that. And these are going to connect like so. And what I normally like to do, you can either end it there and just spin it around the thumb, or what I've been doing recently is you're here, and then you're going to turn it so that it's in the Charlier position, and then rotate it around like that, and then do a final flourish with the full deck. So that is my move Conglomerate. I hope everyone has fun with it, and I think it does have, or it can be expanded on easily, so if you come up with any variations, please tag me at EraserHands. Hope you enjoyed.